How to use the new Uber Activity Hub to see your recent trips. If you're trying to look at the details of the recent trips that you made inside of the Uber platform, all you want to do is head over to the activity section that is visible on the bottom. Once you tap on the activity section, you'll be able to see all of your upcoming activities such as scheduled rides or even Uber Eats orders if you're inside of the Uber platform. Now what you can also do is add in different sort of filters to look at different trips. If you tap on the filters option on the top right of the screen, you can add in different categories such as my orders, business, family, and a few other information, as well as you can select a service. If you want to look at the details of Uber Eats, you can tap on the Eats option, or if not, if you want to just look at the rides option, just tap on the rides option and then tap on apply. Once you do that, all of your past rides or all of your recent trips will be visible right inside of this section. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.